Hey lovelies, it's Friday and tonight we're having some grilled chicken turkey sliders. Okay, what you're going to need is these King Hawaiian rolls, some grilled Tyson chicken or whatever chicken you prefer. Cut it up into fine pieces. I've actually already made the chicken, but I want you to see what kind of chicken that I used. You're also going to have the Mexican style cheese or whatever cheese you prefer. This is the one I prefer because I like it. It has all these different cheeses in it, so it tastes really good to us. Then I'm going to butter the rolls and use this air fryer. We got the new Ninja one. We put it on here for like 2 or 3 minutes. 2 minutes. I would say 2 minutes because 3 minutes the biscuits come out burnt. So we don't want that. And then this meat, I already made it. So it's pre-made and ready to go. So just hang tight and I'll come back and show you how I do it. Okay, so I'm making like 4 right now, but I'm going to make more later. So maybe 5 could fit here, but 4 is enough. I ate some earlier, so I'm just making some for like the kids right now. So I have to cut these in half, and I'm going to put the butter on there, and you'll see it in a few minutes, okay? So now I'm just going to bake it for like 2 minutes, like I said, because if I do it too much, they'll burn. Because this Ninja right here is just, it's a fast cooker, and it's not very much room right at the top before everything's there. So I'll come back with you guys and let you see what it is. It's already heating up. And then I'm going to get the rest of the stuff prepared. Okay? Okay, as you guys can see, the biscuits are ready. The Hawaiian rolls. I put them in for 2 minutes, but they needed that extra minute. So, yeah, 3 minutes is what I think they need at 420 when you're using the Ninja. But anyway, I wanted them to be a little bit crispy underneath. And I've already washed my hands because I don't touch anything without washing my hands. People know in my family that I wash my hands a little too much in their opinion. But anyway, I like washing my hands. So anyway, here's the chicken. I'm going to put it up and then put the cheese and let you see. If I had mayonnaise, I would put mayonnaise on these, but everybody in the family doesn't like mayonnaise, so I let them put their own condiments. You know, I like barbecue sauce, so I would put barbecue sauce on mine. But like I said, I had some earlier already. So I'm just showing this and plating this up for you guys. I'm also going to make these French fries later or after I get through doing this video. But I just wanted to show you guys a quick and easy Friday meal. That's what we're having, okay? Okay, lovelies, these are the completed sliders. They look a little messy, but they're going to be delicious. And guess what? I have one hungry participant over here.
Wait, where's my fork, guys? Thumbnail.
It's not even a thumbnail, it's a TikTok. So how were the sliders? Let the people know.
Guys, I'm giving it 1,000 out of 10. It was so good. You see, I tore it up.
And you added what on yours?
I added relish.
Any
relish.
Ketchup or anything?
Dill relish and ketchup. And that was it, because that's literally, it didn't even need
they
ketchup.
can't see your lips, though.
And it didn't even need ketchup, but it's like, I love ketchup, so I just had to do it anyway. But you know, guys, you guys see I didn't use a lot, but the plate is scraped. Goodbye. It's gone into my stomach, and it was real bad, real good. Real good. My mom knows how to cook, and y'all can never, so goodbye. Mwah.
It's a lot of moms that could, but I was just giving y'all a
But
quick
how many
tip.
moms cook like my mom? And I don't know how they cook. Exactly.
She's
So, like,
biased.
obviously, it just
Bye.
makes my mom
Love
the best
you.
cook.